Are you looking for the top 5 best drones? In this video, we will look at some of the top 5 best drones. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Drone with camera 4K for kids adults. Brushless motor mini foldable RC drones with propeller guards for beginner. Ultimate Fusion. 4K HD camera, image stabilization, and FPV. This drone with camera features a 130 degrees wide-angle 4K lens and 90 degrees adjustable view, ensuring every moment is captured in high definition. With smooth FPV transmission, it's ideal for drones for kids and adults, providing an immersive flight experience. Brushless drones. Stability, efficiency, wind resistance compared to brush models. Brushless drones with camera for adults 4K offer longer lifespan and greater stability, using less power. They eliminate overheating issues and excel in high-speed conditions while resisting wind for stable flights. Experience unmatched safety design with safety in mind. This drone for kids features a child lock to prevent accidental takeoffs and propeller guards for safe indoor flying. The anti-loss alarm activates after 10 minutes of inactivity, and low battery alerts plus an emergency stop function help avoid accidents. Number 2. Drones with camera 4K for adults kids. Brushless motor mini drone. 4K aerial mastery. Stabilized HD and real-time FPV capture every detail with a 4K HD camera featuring a 130 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable tilt for dynamic shooting angles. Advanced image stabilization ensures crystal clear footage, even in motion, while real-time FPV transmission delivers a seamless, immersive flying experience. Next-gen brushless drone unlocks superior flight performance with brushless motor technology, 80% longer lifespan, and 30% lower power consumption than brush models. This drones with camera for adults 4K engineered to excel in high-speed maneuvers and withstand level 4 wind resistance. No more overheating issues. The advanced flight control system ensures consistent power output, while precision aerodynamics keep flight smooth and controlled. 2 times 1800 mAh batteries. 35 minutes flight time and enhanced portability. Enjoy up to 35 minutes of total flight time with 2 upgraded batteries, offering both extended use and improved portability. With the new USB Type-C charging port and advanced USB 3.0 technology, it takes only 1 hour to fully charge, keeping you ready for action. Built-in safety features, such as overcharge, short circuit, and over-discharge protection, provide extra peace of mind while you fly. The drone's foldable design and included storage case make it highly portable and perfect for outdoor adventures. Number 3. Holy Stone GPS drone with 4K UHD camera for adults beginner. Extremely lightweight, no FAA or remote ID registration. HS360S, drone with camera for adults featuring the Holy Stone latest design. Weighs less than 250 G. This GPS drone offers a perfect solution for hassle-free flying in the States without FAA or remote ID registration. Perfect for capturing stunning footage on the go. 4K UHD camera with Galaxy Core sensor. Holy Stone drones with camera for adults 4K equipped with 1/3 foot CMOS Galaxy Core sensor and 4K 85 degrees wide-angle camera adjusted within 90 degrees by remote control or the app. Capture stunning 3840x 2160p photos and 4K videos. Unleash your creativity from a whole new perspective. Advanced connection technology. HS360S, a GPS drone with camera. Features Holy Stone's enhanced remote controller. Now you can connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable and enjoy real-time image streaming without the necessity of Wi-Fi. Set the social media stage on fire with stunning visuals from the Holy Stone HS360S GPS 4K drone with camera. Number 4. DJI Mini 4K, drone with 4K UHD camera for adults. No registration needed. Under 249 G. This drone with camera for adults 4K does not require FAA registration or remote ID for recreational use. Visit the FAA's official website for requirements related to drone registration and remote ID. 1. 4K Ultra HD and 3-axis gimbal for cinematic quality shooting. Capture stunning moments in any light. sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with crystal clear 4K resolution. Thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, you can achieve cinematic quality footage with this advanced drone with camera. 38 kilometers per hour, level 5, wind resistant. This drone for adults has a stable flight even in level 5 winds. Brushless motors enhance power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. 10 kilometers max HD video transmission, up to 10 kilometers, 32,800 feet. 2 of HD video transmission, and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to freely explore vast landscapes and see clearer. Number 5. GPS drone with 5.9-inch screen controller, dual camera. Equipped with dual cameras, GPS positioning, 1-key return, water flow mode, obstacle avoidance, and stable flying capabilities. This drone is perfect for beginners and hobbyists. Its emergency stop feature ensures safe operation, making it an ideal gift for birthdays and holidays. Elevate your drone experience. Enjoy precise 1-key return, low power automatic return, and obstacle avoidance with advanced optical flow technology. The intuitive remote control allows for seamless operation, including up/down, forward/backward, left/right turn, and lateral flying. Capture every moment. Harness the power of Wi-Fi for photo and video capture, with real-time transmission to your device. Features like trajectory flight, 1-key surround, intelligent follow, and music edition bring endless entertainment. The army green color adds a stylish touch.